TradingView is one of the most powerful tools for cryptocurrency traders in 2025, offering comprehensive charting, analytics, and social features that can help both beginners and experienced traders make informed decisions. Before diving into the platform, it's important to understand why TradingView has become the go-to resource for crypto market analysis, technical analysis, and charting. By combining live price data, customizable charts, indicators, and alerts, traders can track Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, and hundreds of altcoins in real time. Whether you are analyzing market trends, spotting potential entry and exit points, or evaluating token price movements, TradingView provides the tools needed to perform both short-term and long-term crypto trading strategies effectively. Creating a TradingView account is the first step to using the platform. After signing up, beginners should explore the dashboard, which includes watch lists, chart layouts, news feeds, and social features. Setting up a watch list for top cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Binance Coin allows traders to monitor price movements efficiently. Users can also add lesser-known altcoins and layer to tokens to stay ahead of emerging opportunities. The platform's interface is highly intuitive, allowing traders to quickly switch between different chart types, including candlestick, line, and bar charts, each of which provides unique insights into price action, volatility, and trend strength. Understanding candlestick patterns is essential for effective crypto analysis on TradingView. Patterns like doji, hammer, engulfing, and shooting star help traders identify potential trend reversals or continuations. Pairing these patterns with indicators such as moving averages, relative strength index (RSI), MACD, Bollinger Bands, and Fibonacci retracements enhances prediction accuracy. Beginners should start by focusing on a few key indicators to avoid analysis paralysis while gradually incorporating advanced tools. Learning how to interpret these indicators in combination with candlestick patterns gives traders an edge in predicting short-term price movements and long-term market trends. TradingView also allows for the creation of custom indicators and scripts using PineScript, its proprietary programming language. For traders interested in algorithmic strategies or custom alerts, understanding PineScript enables the development of automated trading strategies and personalized analysis tools. By coding specific conditions for price action, volume, or volatility, traders can receive notifications when certain market conditions are met, ensuring timely decision-making. Even without programming experience, beginners can access a library of public indicators and scripts shared by the TradingView community, which offers valuable insights and tested strategies for crypto trading. Using multiple timeframes is another critical strategy when analyzing crypto on TradingView. Examining a 1-hour chart can provide insights into short-term price action, while daily and weekly charts reveal broader market trends and potential support or resistance levels. Combining multiple timeframes helps traders avoid false signals and make better-informed decisions. Support and resistance levels, trend lines, and channels are visual tools on TradingView that allow traders to map key price zones where buying or selling pressure is likely to emerge. Understanding these zones is crucial for executing profitable trades and managing risk effectively. TradingView's alert system is a game-changer for active traders. Alerts can be set for price levels, indicator crossovers, trendline breaks, or specific patterns, allowing traders to monitor multiple coins without constantly staring at charts. Alerts can be delivered via email, SMS, or push notifications, ensuring traders never miss critical market movements. For beginners, starting with basic price alerts and gradually integrating more complex conditions as confidence grows is recommended. Alerts are particularly useful for swing trading, day trading, or when tracking volatile assets like DeFi tokens, NFTs, or layer-to solutions such as Arbitrum and Optimism. Social features on TradingView are another advantage for cryptocurrency traders. The platform includes community chat rooms, public idea sharing, and collaboration tools that allow traders to learn from each other. Beginners can follow experienced traders, see their analysis, and adapt their strategies accordingly. Observing how professionals interpret candlestick patterns, indicators, and market trends provides a real-world learning experience that accelerates skill development. Additionally, participating in community discussions helps traders understand market sentiment, which is an essential factor in crypto price movements. TradingView also provides news integration and economic calendars, which are essential for staying updated on market-moving events. Cryptocurrency prices are highly sensitive to regulatory announcements, project developments, exchange listings, and technological upgrades. By monitoring news feeds and economic events within TradingView, traders can make proactive decisions rather than reactive ones. Combining technical analysis with fundamental insights ensures a holistic approach to trading, allowing traders to anticipate trends and mitigate risks associated with sudden price fluctuations. Another valuable feature of TradingView is its portfolio tracking capability. Traders can monitor their crypto holdings in real time, track gains and losses, and visualize performance across multiple assets. This allows for better portfolio management, including rebalancing and risk assessment. Beginners should use portfolio tracking to understand how individual trades impact overall performance, identify profitable strategies, and refine future trading plans. This feature is particularly useful for managing diversified holdings, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, layer-2 tokens, DeFi assets, and staking rewards. For advanced traders, TradingView supports integration with crypto exchanges through APIs, enabling real-time trading directly from the platform. This integration allows traders to execute orders, set stop losses, and manage positions efficiently while utilizing the platform's analytical tools. While beginners may start with observation and manual trading, eventually leveraging exchange integrations can enhance efficiency and reduce reaction time during volatile market conditions. It also allows users to test strategies with live markets and analyze their effectiveness using TradingView's extensive charting features. TradingView's mobile app ensures traders can access charts, alerts, and social features on the go. Mobile access is essential in the fast-paced cryptocurrency market, allowing users to react quickly to sudden price changes or news events. By enabling push notifications and alerts, traders can remain proactive, minimizing losses and maximizing potential profits. The combination of desktop and mobile access ensures that trading insights are never missed, providing flexibility and continuous market monitoring. Learning to use TradingView effectively also involves experimenting with different chart layouts, indicators, and drawing tools. Beginners should start with simple charts, marking key support and resistance levels, and gradually incorporate more complex indicators such as Ichimoku clouds, VWAP, or custom scripts. Practice and repetition allow traders to develop a personal workflow that suits their trading style, whether they are focused on swing trading, day trading, or long-term investing. Finally, successful use of TradingView for crypto analysis relies on continuous education and adaptation. The cryptocurrency market evolves rapidly, and staying informed about new indicators, platform updates, exchange changes, and emerging tokens is essential.